In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove attachments from records in Hubspot. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can confidently manage files on your contact, company, deal, or ticket records without any confusion. Let's start with how to add attachments. First, make sure you're logged into your Hubspot account and on the main dashboard. From here, look for the CRM section in the top navigation. Hover over or click on CRM and then choose the object you want to work with. This could be contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, depending on where you need to store your file. For this example, imagine we're working with contacts, but the process is the same for other objects. Once you've selected your object, you'll see a list of records. Find and click the specific record name you want to open. This might be a particular contact, a company you're working with, or an active deal. When that record opens, look over to the right-hand sidebar. In that sidebar, you should see a section labeled Attachments. Click on the Attachments section, then click the Add button. Hubspot will now give you two main options for attaching a file. The first is Upload New, which lets you upload a file directly from your computer or device. Use this when you have a new document, like a contract or a proposal, stored locally. The second option is Choose Existing, which allows you to select a file that's already stored in your Hubspot files. This is great if you use standard documents or resources regularly and want to keep everything consistent and easy to reuse. Select the option that fits your situation, choose your file, and confirm. The attachment will now appear in the Attachments section for that record, making it easy for you and your team to find later. Now let's go over how to remove attachments from a record. Again, start by going to the CRM menu and selecting the same type of object you were working with before. Navigate to the list, then click on the specific record name to open it. Once the record is open, look again at the right-hand sidebar and find the Attachments section. Hover your mouse over the file you want to remove. When you hover over it, you should see an X or Remove icon appear. Click that icon. Hubspot will show a pop-up asking you to confirm that you want to remove the attachment. Click Remove to confirm. After that, the file will no longer be attached to the record. This helps keep your records organized and ensures only the most relevant documents are stored with each contact, company, deal, or ticket.